What happens if I microwave this pepper? Yeah, what happens if I microwave it? I think I can do it for 5 minutes. Hopefully it don't be horrible. But I kommer microwave it from idag. And see what happens. Yeah, here we go, here we go. Italian style. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. I hear a sound. Don't look too bad. I think it might be have a worst some. Yeah, it is not okay anymore. This is what happens if you make a wire for 5 minutes. Hmm. 5 minutes might be much too short, but whatever. I take 5 minutes for. Yeah. It is hot yet. Hot, 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 hot. And how do we taste it? Hot, 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 hot. Ow, 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 ow. Better. It come in smoke, lite smoke out, for that you probably not see in the picture. But it har hot. I kommer not eat everything for I did not clean this. But I kommer taste it anyway. The thing is that normally you take it in the center part, out the center part. When you do those peppers, for that the center part is dangerous. But for this video, I did it on the big, som it was. Not much different from what it used to taste. I don't think it's very great, but it don't smell, taste horrible. And no. That is the center part you see in the picture. No. This is why me don't eat everything. For the seeds is dangerous. The seeds. If you eat too much of them. So yeah. This is how we pop pepper look when it have been microwaved. So yeah. It don't went horrible. It don't went too great. So yeah, that be for now. Now I should go and microwave something more stupid. So yeah, bye for now. And yeah, in next video, I probably kommer do microwave video next. And then after this, after that video, I kommer do something I probably kommer not like it too much. But however, I come and eat something always don't taste the too great. Next video I come and microwave, and then video after that I come and eat something always horrible. But however, subscribe and yeah, watch out for my next videos. And bye for now. Bye.